John Sinise from Panduit. I'm here at the Rockwell Automation Fair. I'm standing in front of one of our in-room solutions, the Micro Data Center. The Micro Data Center is used to connect the enterprise side to the manufacturing side. We have it broken up into 3 zones. As you can see, on the top portion here is the enterprise zone. We have patching for fiber and copper connections, and also intelligent patch panels. In the middle, we have the demilitarized zone, which is used as a barrier between the enterprise side and the manufacturing side. On the lower portion, you can see the manufacturing zone, which has switching, patching, and also is demarked through colors and different visualization. Part of the security, the network security, would be some physical security, and also the demilitarized zone would be for the software security. This is just a brief overview of our Micro Data Center, one of our many solutions from Panduit.